grassy fields. It followed her through grassy fields. It skipped along the way. Mary laughed and clapped her hands, clapped her hands, clapped her hands. Mary laughed and clapped her hands while they began to play. One bright morning off they went, off they went, off they went. One bright morning off they went, walking into town. Little lamb hopped close to Mary, close to Mary, close to Mary. Little lamb hopped close to Mary with tiny leaps and bounds. The children smiled to see the lamb, see the lamb, see the lamb. The children smiled to see the lamb trotting by her side. Such a fluffy, friendly friend, friendly friend, friendly friend. Such a fluffy, friendly friend, walking full of pride. Mary hugged her little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary hugged her little lamb under sky so blue. Kindness makes a friendship grow, friendship grow, friendship grow. Kindness makes a friendship grow, warm and strong and true.